What does perfect even mean? Is there even such a thing? Ooh, can we switch up all the rules and imagine a utopia?
Hey guys, welcome back. I'm out in the backyard and I'm getting ready to plant some seeds. Let me take you over to my little mini garden of what has sprouted already. Some things did not sprout, and so I want to repot today, or just do a whole fresh start today on the ones that didn't seed. And I did add some water to those ones that didn't seed as well, just to kind of see if they will still sprout. I think maybe the soil got too dry. So I went ahead and re-watered them early this morning, and then they were in the sun. So we'll see what happens with those, but I am starting a fresh set. Let me show you guys what I have here. So I already planted that over there. That's an apple. Those are apple seeds. And then I have some seeds that I bought yesterday. Here's all my seeds. So I'm going to be planting some of these today, and then, like I said, the ones that didn't sprout, I'm going to plant those as well. I don't think I have enough of these. I may wind up using that for some of the herbs, for the seedlings and stuff. So yeah, because I'm running out of these things. I'll have to get back over to Dollar Tree or somewhere and get some more of those. But let me take you over to what has sprouted. Oh, I put them all back out there already. So, and y'all see my grass? My grass is trying to come in a little bit better. So it's doing okay. And I have decided that I'm actually going to set my garden up in that corner over there. So it'll be a nice size from like this post right here, and then to that post right there. So that pretty much that rectangle will be my garden. So yeah, but this is the space. But I think I'm gonna do my herb garden over here. So I'm gonna dig all of this up, kind of cultivate that a little bit, just to make it look pretty and stuff. And then we're gonna do the herb garden over there, like any shady shady plants or shady things that need shade, that don't need to be in the sun all day, will be over there. But everything that needs sun all day will be over there. So anyway, over to our seedlings. See how they're doing. So we have some oregano sprouting. See that there. There was another little guy in here, but I think since I've watered him, he's kind of laid back down. And so I had seen a couple of cilantro. I had seen a couple of cilantro pop up as well, but like I said, I had to re-water, so hopefully I didn't kill them. Nothing else has sprouted. The scallion didn't sprout. The dwarf parsley didn't sprout. My watermelon didn't sprout. Spinach didn't sprout, but the black-seeded Simpson lettuce did. And there's another little sprout in there. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's like right there. It's trying to come up. So hopefully those will be good. And then we have over here my zucchini and the other spinach. Nothing has happened. But as you can see, my mammoth sunflowers are doing exceptionally well. So I'm super proud of those. Yeah. So I'm just going to repot everything that didn't sprout. I may even just repot that lettuce and the oregano as well, just because it's not much sprouting. So just kind of do something a little different to see what happens. So I'm gonna go over there and get started on reseeding or repotting or whatever it's called. I'm still new at this, guys. I'm still baby spanking brand new at this. So yeah. But anyway, here are the supplies. Don't lock me out here. Yeah, bought a bunch of supplies yesterday at Home Depot. I got some more this. I got these from Walmart, these containers, and then some of the stuff I already had too. Bought some more seeds, and then I also bought some compost and some topsoil, because I'm gonna get my bins ready for, you know, the transplant of whatever sprouts. And also I want to start making my own compost. So one of these bins will be like a starter compost bin, and then the other one is just going to be like the first bin for transplanting whatever comes, you know, whatever sprouts first. So yeah, I'm gonna get started on this, and I guess I'll update y'all when something sprouts.
Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa.